Good day everyone. If your VLC Media Player is not opening in Windows 11, like Windows 11 VLC Media Player opening issues are there, you're trying to double click and it's not opening, we're going to do only two very easy steps to fix this problem. So the very first thing here is to restart the computer. Sometimes there are so many apps running in the background, and due to a lot of clashes and corruption, it does happen. And when you restart, it starts opening. So you can also try restarting your computer and try opening the VLC Media Player. And if that doesn't work, then do a right click in the start icon, go to settings, and at the left hand side click on apps, and then go to installed apps, and here scroll down and go to VLC Media Player and uninstall it. Once you uninstall it, open your browser and here type VLC Media Player, and please make sure you download it from videolan.org, the official website to download the VLC Media Player, which is a open source, and you can download for your Windows 64-bit, ARM, Mac OS. You can download and install it. For most of us, this will fix the problem. Do let me know in the comment section whether this fix has been, are you able to open your VLC Media Player or not after reinstalling? If yes, well and good. If no, do let me know. I'll try my best. I'll try my best to fix your problem. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Take care.